Alright, there's gonna be a storm coming. I feel like every time when I get out, when I go outside, I feel like this simple part is getting darker, which is fantastic. I mean, obviously a storm is gonna have lightning and water, but other than that. Looks like the storm is going somewhere else, but at the same time it is getting a lot darker, but a lot more lighter over there. Anyways, I'm gonna be looking for my cat. The winds are getting more intense, which... Yeah, the winds are getting more intense.